And a boy who's overcome so much in his short life. We're going to see the surgery that removed his stage 3 cancer to give him his childhood. Good evening. This is a very important day here at ABC 10. We are raising money for the Children's Miracle Network at UC Davis Children's Hospital. That's where Christina is joining us live tonight. Christina?
Yeah. It's been a great day so far, and we are going all the way through this evening. And I'll tell you what, we're so lucky to have this jewel of a hospital here in Northern California. And for, all of us parents out there, you always want your children to receive the best care. In fact, UC Davis was just recognized by U.S. World and U.S. National World Report, U.S. News and World Report. That is, they ranked UC Davis Children's Hospital in 5 pediatric specialties. So they're doing great work here, and we're here to support them today. We're entering another Power Hour. We have Furniture USA with us. All right. So for the next hour, everything you donate will be matched by Furniture USA. We're proud to have them here with us today. So the number's 877-719-KIDS. And we want to thank Carolyn from West Sacramento. She donated $100. And Jill from Roseville, thank you so much for your $200 donation. Lots to talk about, Dale. We'll go back to you for now.
Yeah, and now for the next hour, all that money you donate, it doubles. Christina, good stuff. Thank you. Talk to you in a few.